In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find subfolders in Outlook mailboxes. If your folder list feels a little cluttered, or you're having trouble locating messages tucked away in nested folders. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to reveal and hide subfolders so you can navigate your mailbox with confidence. We'll start in your web browser. Open your search engine and type Outlook. Press Enter, then click the official Outlook website from Microsoft. This is a simple way to get into your mailbox without needing to remember a specific URL. Once the Outlook page loads and you're in your mailbox view, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. This is your folder pane, where you'll see familiar items like Inbox, Drafts, Sent items, and any custom folders you've created. To reveal subfolders under any main folder, move your cursor to that folder's name and look for a small arrow or chevron right next to it. It might appear to the left of the folder name or show up when you hover your mouse over the folder. Click that arrow. When you do, the folder will expand, and you should immediately see the subfolders drop down underneath. This is especially helpful if you organize emails by project, client, or topic and want to quickly jump into a specific nested folder without scrolling through long lists. You can repeat this action for any other folder that has subfolders. Each expanded folder will show its nested structure, and you can scroll within the folder pane if the list is long. If you don't see an arrow next to a folder, it usually means there aren't any subfolders under that specific one. Also, if you've got multiple levels of folders, just keep clicking the arrows as you go deeper to reveal each level. When you're done and want to tidy up your view, click the same arrow again to collapse the folder. The subfolders will hide from view, keeping your left pane streamlined and easier to scan. This expand and collapse action doesn't move or delete anything. It simply changes what you see, making it a safe way to quickly navigate large mailboxes. A few quick tips as you use this feature. The arrow icon may look slightly different depending on your theme or screen size, but it will always be adjacent to the folder name. If a folder feels slow to expand, give it a moment, especially if there are many nested subfolders. With these simple clicks, you'll be able to reveal and hide subfolders anytime and keep your Outlook mailbox organized and efficient.